Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add employees to Wave Payroll. Once Payroll is set up, you can start adding your team. And here's how to do it. First step, go to the Payroll tab. You're going to click Payroll in the sidebar, and then you're going to select Employees. Step 2, click Add an Employee. This opens the employee setup wizard, so just click that to open that up. Step 3, fill in employee details. Now in the required field, you're going to include full names, email address, hire dates, job titles and type, pay rate, as well as work schedule if applicable. Step 4, enter tax information. Now you're going to need to add social security number or social insurance number, as well as W4 or TDI forms details. Step 5, set up direct deposits. Collect the employee's bank routing and account numbers to set up direct deposits. Step 6, add deductions or benefits. Include health insurance, 401ks, or other recurring deductions. Step 7, save employee profile. Once you're done with all this, just click save to complete the setup, and you're going to repeat this for additional employees. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.